Hello everyone, this is me Dr. Rui once again with you, and today I'm going to talk about this book, Clinical Experience of 70 Years in Homeopathy by Dr. S.P. Kopigar. It's a very nice book. You can see this is the acknowledgement part, this is the preface, this is the introduction part. You see, homeopathy is a unique system of medicine. It is both a science as well as an art. The law of similar is simple and has proved itself in thousands of cures, even in hands of lay practitioners. But applying the similar remedy, its selection and dosage, especially in tough chronic cases, is an art that calls for experience and also has to be arrived at scientifically. So this is the introduction part. You can see it's a daily prayer advice. This is the page where advice to young homeopaths. It's a very important page. As I have read it, I have found it very useful. When a young homeopath starts his practice in a place, the first patients he get a chance to cure are infants and children. Surprisingly, the veteran homeopath also can count children up to 50% of his patients. Of course, these figures may vary from doctor to doctor, but generally the pattern is same. This is because all over the world it has become accepted that homeopathy is the best, surest and least harmful treatment for children, and because being all sugar pills and powders is easily loved by the small patients themselves. No child will like an injection doctor or a nauseating nostrum. You can just read this book, it's very nice. These are the teachers, my teachers in Calcutta. The Kopigar's teacher, he is Dr. N.M. Chaudhary. You can see this pages, R.N. Ghosh, my gurus and how they modulate my work, my first guru and his teachings. You can see, have a look of this book. Explanations is there. The efficacy of half-proved and clinically verified remedies. This is the pages. Knowing the remedies, how you should know the remedies. This is the Materia Medica part. Like this, you can see. Thoughts on miasms, cure without aggravation. This is Hahnemann's view. You can see in an article written by the great master Fink, I had read that the ideal homeopathic cure would be rapid, gentle and permanent amelioration of the symptoms without any aggravation whatever. This would be possible if the remedy was the perfect similimum and the potency absolutely correct to the plane of the disease. So you can see, have a look. Going into this, the evolution of the highest potency. You can see from here, this is the anaphylaxis and homeopathy, this part. You can see, it's a very nice book. When the symptoms agree, see, in Kent's Materia Medica, one of the most commonly used phrases is when or if provided the symptoms agree. The following are examples: mercurius, nitric acid, phytolacca, plumber, Actia racemosa. One should go through this book. Okay, see you next time. Bye.